On piano, freshman Thomas Han will perform the title score for the Chinese animation Shanghai, composed in 1980 by Yahui Gu.
Yeah, Tommy!
This year's Spotlight Dance Club is proud to perform a fusion of American hip-hop and K-pop from Korea, dancing to Bruno Mars' global hit Finesse with choreography by Korean May J. Lee x Austin Pack.
Tell me while I do
friends, if you enjoyed the show, please let all the performers backstage hear one more time. What I've always loved about this community is that you're allowed to shine in whatever ways you aspire to. And you don't have to be pigeonholed by one thing. You can be a captain of a sports team and dance on stage at the same time if you want to. I think that's what distinguishes Sandy Springs students from so many others. Once again, I'd like to thank you for being such a wonderful audience. It really makes a big deal to the performers back there to feel your energy. Special thanks again to our guests from the middle school. I repeat, I hope someday you'll also take the stage as an upper schooler here. At this time, we'd like to dismiss the middle school. Thank you so much for listening.